Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First look at the headlines. 7 dead, including 4 school children in a bus mishap at Aldona. Government orders magisterial inquiry. Driver of the bus arrested, charged with culpable homicide. Government cancels carnival celebrations on the backdrop of Aldona bus tragedy, announces compensation of 2 lakh rupees to the families of deceased. Trinamool Congress alleges that Congress is playing a double game on MOI issue. Dr. Willi says High Court has stayed MOI decision on the behest of the government. And 3,05,000 rupees GPL price tag does not surprise Southern Comets. Former Ranji skipper is overjoyed to play for Salgaonkar again. And now the news in detail. School children and passengers were drowned to death in a tragic bus accident. This accident took place at Kalvi, Aldona at about 12:30 in the afternoon. 4 students, 2 women and 1 man died in the mishap. Police have arrested the bus driver Rajesh Naik, charging him of culpable homicide. Government has ordered magisterial inquiry into the matter. The private bus by the name Ganesh was travelling from Aldona to Kalvi. Brakes of the bus failed. Driver lost control and the bus went down into the river. The bus remained underwater for more than 2 hours. The bus was travelling with 7 passengers. Aid from police and fire services came nearly an hour afterwards.
So when it honked, there was a van in the middle. I asked the van person to get it side because he's going to turn the bus. But the bus did not stop only. I thought it is stopping now, stopping now, stopping now. Where? It is right inside. I just see it in front of my eyes.
Fast. Did the bus come very fast?
It was not fast. It was not fast. It was at a steady speed, but it could not brake. That's all.
What about the driver? Did you see the driver?
The driver and the conductor both popped out from there. I told them, Baba, you go inside and try to find out. I cannot swim. And even if I can swim just on top. I cannot go inside. I asked him, Baba, if you know to swim, you go inside. We asked the ferryboat people. The ferryboat came up till here, but not a single ferryboat person jumped from up. I called out 100 at 12:30. 100 number at 12:30. So this happened at about 12:25. And the police arrived here about 1:15, 1:20. So it's almost an hour.
Same manner. I just came over here. I tried to help, but no, the thing was there, chance was there. What I can do more.
So Utkan Ashila, you're a local from here, not even from the police.
No. I just a sing man, local fellow. I just came to help over here, but no one was there. आम्ही काढले एकला मनशाक कॉल काढलो आम्ही
ठीक माझी हिशोबान डायरेक्ट गाडी हांगा उडोवन येतासली अशें उडोवन येता सायडीन उडयत आसली पण ताणें ताका जजमेंट नालो ड्रायव्हराक की बाबा खंय कितें करूं तें तो भियेलो अकंतार ना हांव फाटल्यान पूण कितें आहा गाडी घालता आसतना खंय जाणा ब्रेक फेल जालो म्हणटा न्ही गाडी सारकेटून उडयताली हांगा गाडी रमता मार गाडी
म्हाका जेन्ना फोन आयलो इमिजिएटली हांवें चीफ सेक्रेटरीक आनी डीजीपीक दोगांकी सायटीचेर वच म्हणून सांगलें ते म्हजे कडेन कॉन्स्टंट इन टच आशिल्ले आर्मीच्या ऑथॉरिटी कडेन उलयलें तांकां गरज जाय जाल्यार जाय तो सपोर्ट दिवपाक ते ऑलरेडी जांकां जे पळय कोण हे जाल्यात फेटल हातून हे जाल्यात ते तांकां सगळ्यांक 2-2 लाख एक्स ग्रेशिया पेमेंट डिक्लेअर करून सांगिल्लो आसा आमच्या नॉर्मल हाचे प्रमाणे समज एडिशनल कितें जाय जाल्यार गव्हर्नमेंट एडिशनली कितें दिवपाची व्यवस्था जातली.
Earlier, the bus driver and conductor escaped from the accident site. They jumped from the bus as the vehicle started getting into the water. The police then managed to arrest the driver Rajesh Naik. He is being charged with culpable homicide. Among the deceased, 2 of them were cousins, Diana and Elvina Dias.
This driver has been arrested. His name is Rajesh Naik. He is also the owner of the bus. According to eyewitness and the driver, there were 4 these students and 3 adults. Out of the 3 adults, 2 were women and 1 was man. Priyal, daughter of Prakash Salgaonkar, 10 years old. Another is Diana, daughter of Chris Dias, 8 years old. She is also from Kelvin. Then other two girls were Elvina Dias, 11 years old, again from Kelvin. Nagle Gracias. The two other bodies which we have found is Josephine, wife of Salvador Dias, and another man is there, Dayanand Janardhan Hoble.
Locals also grieved that all the rescue, which was initially called in, was ill-equipped, which led to loss of lives. Navy, Coast Guard, divers and other personnel at the site to rescue the passengers. All the rescue agencies had to struggle a lot to find the bodies and get the bus ashore, as the vehicle was totally submerged into the water.
What about the helicopters?
They have also lowered the divers down.
Okay. So the divers that have come from the Navy have come from the helicopters?
They have come from helicopter, and one team has come in the 3-tonner which is just entering. Because the whole crowd is not allowing the Gemini's, boats and the whole road is chock-a-block. So they are not able to come this side.
So the equipment is there but they cannot come in this side.
So we are getting them by Halo now.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. It was a grand day to celebrate Carnival 2012 on Saturday in Panji, but unfortunately it had to be cancelled following major bus tragedy at Calvi, Aldona. Carnival parades at all the major cities have been cancelled.
The floats were all set for the day. Carnival parade was set to be off with King Momo and Queen. Many other floats were awaiting a grand display. Participants had all flocked to Panji from different places in Goa. People too were gathering one by one at the place. Here are the reactions by the people. The carnival fun was overshadowed by the Aldona bus tragedy.
We had been here for the carnival, but then having this mishap, and we are there with the parents.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what happened in the accident, but yeah, it's really a shame because people all over here has been waiting it for a long time. It was really crowded here for a while and people were looking forward to it.
I think it's a wise decision because we have to mourn with those who have lost so many children. So I think it's a wise thing.
कैंसल हुआ इसका कुछ ये नहीं है क्योंकि बच्चे लोग के वजह से हुआ तो इट्स ओके. दूर से आए नहीं मिला तो ठीक है लेकिन we have to we have to cancel it. It's okay.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.